Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing of a Mini Lindy in Ostrich. I wanted to show you what it holds, what it doesn't. I have actually not had a Mini Lindy myself. I bought this one on the secondhand market, and the reason is that I've been able to get Birkins and Kellys, but I can never get a Mini Lindy, and I really wanted something in croc. This one popped up and it was a really good price, actually very close to retail. So I wanted to see if this would be a good travel bag, because a lot of people online say this is the bag to travel with, and that the lock is good in terms of stability and being stable, that the zippers are really nice and easy to work with, and that the double handles actually allow us to fill it pretty well. So it is smaller than I thought. If I'm comparing this to the Mini 22 bag by Chanel, I think it's about the same width. And so let me show you how it fits crossbody. By the way, I love the Ostrich. I think the Ostrich really does it justice. It's not too big, too wide like I had expected or had worried about. It does have little pockets on the side. It's not going to be thick enough, or wide enough, I should say, for a phone unless you're willing to stretch out the bag. And it certainly wouldn't be deep enough. So my hand is really little, and this is as far as I can get it in here. To give you an idea, an Altoids box would fit in there and still stick out a little bit, right? So that's how slim this side pocket is. So let's see what it will fit. It's a really lightweight bag. I know that these are made well, but it doesn't feel like the most substantial bag I've ever had from Chanel. I'm sorry, from Hermes. The bottom does have feet, 4 little silver feet here, which I'll be making protectors for really soon. I'll let you know when they're available, because I'm tired of seeing mine scratch, and I think many of you may be as well. So let's see what this little guy can hold. So inside, I see 2 little pockets on the side, up here and down here. Very similar to these side pockets, not gonna fit a whole lot. So I'm gonna see, this is my Bierne card holder here. Put this guy in here. This is, or that tripod's gonna be stretching it. Car keys. My passport would for sure fit in here. I will use this as a mock phone to see how that fits, since I am actually recording on mine. And fits just fine. It's just a little bit of angling to get it in. A little Kleenex package in here. So I'm thinking travel, that's what I would want this for. Here's a charger. My little clutch, I love this guy. It only gives you 1 charge, but it's very tiny. And the Altoids box, a little lipstick, still filling it up. I know this is gonna kill most of you, but a blue pen. Yes, I do carry them in my bag, and hope and pray for the best. Pill box, and so these are my 3 things that probably will not fit. My little water bottle, a larger tripod that I use when I'm traveling all the time, and a little tripod that I use if I'm just kind of running around local places. So I will try to get the little tripod in here. That fits no problem. I'll take that guy out and see if the water bottle fits. Yep, small water bottle does fit. So if you're traveling and you want to keep a little water bottle in there, it's not an issue. And last but not least, the real test, can I get, this is a mini tripod, can I get my mini tripod in here? That would be a big fat no, and that does not fit. Maybe if I took the top off here, no, even then it will not. So this guy's out, and I guess, you know, it's obviously larger. I was thinking I could angle it, but that's not gonna work. So as long as you don't need a tripod in your bag, I think this is a nice travel bag. The proof is in the pudding. I'm gonna travel with it, and I will see on my other channel, Luxury Trip Girl, I'll see if it actually kind of, you know, holds its weight and does well. I like that it's lightweight for travel, for sure. We all know how tiring and annoying it gets to carry so much stuff with us. And this is how it looks when it's on. I'm looking in a larger mirror here, and I'm trying to see if it looks too wide on my body. Obviously, if it were up closer on my waist, it wouldn't look as wide. There are people you can get online, you can get straps from, but not in Ostrich that I have seen. So this is, again, the Ostrich Mini Lindy, and I believe it's a 20, so 20 centimeters. One other quick thing, the side or the back of the tag. So this is what the pull tag looks like. And then the back has 4 little studs. And I am not sure, but we can see together, maybe, yeah. So that actually connects here. Like I said, I'm not familiar with the Lindy, so I don't know. So that's a nice little feature for travel. It's gonna make it a lot harder for someone to get in our bags. So if you are traveling, make sure you carry your seats or your sights, however you pronounce it. I've heard it pronounced both ways by sales associates at Hermes. And yeah, so make sure you're traveling with that so that you don't get this little guy confiscated. And overall, I am super pleased with this bag. In fact, it may be one of my favorite Hermes bags. Time will tell as I actually use it. But again, if you're having a hard time getting these, I'm not finding that the secondhand market is really marked up right now on the Mini Lindy. So maybe a little bit, 10%, but not like we saw in the middle of the pandemic with 50% markups. So my little review, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. If you find my videos useful, I would love it if you would consider subscribing or telling your friends or liking this video. Thank you so much.